Guys, what's up? Thank you for tuning in again with Get Ready with Rika. This is my second video that I have created, and today I'm going to show you guys how I establish my poof natural bun. Please definitely follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and also subscribe to my channel at Marika Michelle. So here I am. I'm actually going to be taking my spray bottle here and just kind of wetting my hair so that it isn't as dry and I can kind of style it the way I like to. I can link both the water bottle and the brush in the description box below. First, I'm going to be using the Eco Styler gel on my hair, and I like to kind of place that around my edges to make sure that it's going to stay down. I have a hard time with my edges sometimes and keeping it down, so this definitely helps with that process. And then I'm just going to go through and I'm going to brush it to make sure that everything stays where it is. Next, I'm going to be using the Pure Honey moisturizing cream. This cream here is amazing. It makes your hair feel really soft afterward. It smells good, and also if your hair is really wet, it makes it very curly. So here I'm actually just pulling my hair into the bun. This is actually a do-rag that I had cut to because I didn't have an actual wrap. So now I'm going to go through with my Argan Oil edge control. This is my favorite edge control by far. It's the only edge control that I use actually. It lays my hair down. I have 4C hair, so it's always hard for me to find a product that's going to lay my hair down the way that I like it. So this definitely has a strong hold. Plus it also has a long lasting hold. Like I said, I've been using the same one for years, so I would definitely recommend this product if you have edges that just don't want to stay down. Alright guys, and that is basically the finished look. I'm just going to go through now and just wrap my edges here to make sure that they lay down, because like I said, your girl's edges do not lay down without the edge control. So but other than that, that is actually the finished product, and that's what it's going to look like afterwards. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please again let me know, if you did enjoy it, if you didn't enjoy it, what could be different, what would you like to see from me. You can definitely do that in the comment section below. I look forward to hearing any feedback that any of you have.